kids. Let's learn some colors. Pink color, soft pink color, blue color, forest green color, red color, green color, orange color, purple color. Let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Circle, circle, star, star, hexagon, hexagon, heart, heart, triangle, triangle, rectangle, rectangle. Let's color the shapes. Soft pink color, soft pink color, orange color, orange color, pink color, pink color, red color, red color, blue color, blue color, purple color, purple color, circle, star, hexagon, heart, triangle, rectangle. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.